吃了头的药，然后才发现原来那个地方好像可以放八点出去，吃了600块钱，你弄好可以。旅行就是这样，你总不能100%的确认都没有花到给我钱，所以you learn. So after next time, I will use that one. So for next time. For my trip, and I see a lot of people doing it, so I don't think I'm not. So it's not so scary. So while we're there, here, 6 people here. Oh my god. Alright. 84 to 86. So I am 84, so I'm in the middle, I guess. I hope there's no one, but it's impossible. Okay. Look at how white is it. I hope I'm not breaking anything. So it's so cool. Everything is so white. Okay, I gotta go to the church. See? You know, it's so white and no people. Sometimes you feel people so crowded and you feel annoying. But look at that. Exactly no people. You got scared, right? I don't know where I can go to the church found which way. I found the way. Anyway, where I'm going here? Okay. Sometimes I really adore myself that really brave girl to do this. Oh my god. Really, literally, I didn't know how can I cross here and go. How do you think? I don't know how to go. Is it from here? And you know, the snow is like really deep. I don't want my shoes get wet. There's a Lux Express. I see the Lux Express from where is it? From Estonia. The weather when you like really deep breath, it's like so cold in your lungs and you want to cough sometimes. I got so cold, so I wear my gloves, so I just cannot walk well. And see this. I think I can go into. I don't know. Should I? Let's see what is inside. And my glove is really hard to take off.
That's like no okay.
Finally, wear the glove. It's so hard. So now I heading to the market, supermarket. So I got myself a snap. I have the vacation seat, and today is really chill plan, and I meet some people on the train from Switzerland, Germany, and Sweden. Now there's Morocco girl, so pretty great. And sister traveling make you see a lot of people, right?
Sit down. I'm very impressed. It's very time.
One more question. Since we're leaving early tomorrow morning and we're on the 4:30 bus to get to the airport, I thought that breakfast starts at 6. I think that's part of the rule, right?
Today, the sky is clear. Maybe there's a chance you can see. But I really need to avoid the light. So maybe really I have to check. And I wear it really well. So let's see. Can I see? But I feel today I can see because it's really totally different, and the sky is like so clear. And the girl just told me if I have the chance to see the sky with the star, it means I have the chance to see the northern. So there's a clue. So let's see. I wear so well, like the hat that is 2-layer, of course this, and the shoes is 3-layer. So, and pen is the most heavy pen I have worn, really. So I really hope today I can see the Aurora, please.
Blinded by the ones I lost, connecting lines of which we crossed, dropped off the scene at sight, wishing to have one more fight left in me.
Oh my god, this town, the first time I see that much people because of the northern light. Come on, it's show off today, really. I got so lucky to see that. I'm glad that really so happy. Today the sky is really clear, and that's why I see the aurora actually. So yeah, no, I can sleep in the peace. So it actually is not really huge aurora from the ice. You see
something like rain, but in the camera actually it's even better. So I saw it, but tomorrow I still need to going to tracing the Aurora by bus, so to see what they will give to me. So yeah, and let's see it. I don't know, I just feel so happy actually, and especially I'm not following the tour. I going it by myself, so it's like even feel happy that it's like you're work so hard and you get the reward what you deserve that. So it's like before I would feel like, oh my god, my headache is so big. I take one pill, then I go. I was planned that I decided to have some dinner, but I just see the chance after 30 minutes will appear. Okay, go do that. Even though the restaurant is closing, so I cannot eat that. So maybe I have full schedule tomorrow. So yeah, it's this really nice experience. Oh my god, I'm so happy and lucky that so now the street is so clear now. It's cold still, but I think it's better than yesterday because yesterday is so crap. The sky is not really clear, and yeah, no, it's good. I will show my friend. Definitely. Oh my god. Oh. Amazing, right? This is a people brand, and this is your heart. You can live in here. So cool, right? Oh my god, which one you prefer the most? This is the animal. Special. Wow. Rabbit! I just finished the ice hotel, visited the ice hotel. Now I'm getting back to the hotel because it's freezing cold. My bus will come in 10 minutes and I'm heading back. It was really nice, really cool place to see visually. And also I see the Aurora, really tiny little. But later 7:30 I will join to the group. So let's see today if I really can see the huge, maybe the purple one. So wish I have good luck. This is the Randy. So let's see. Now the tour girl is firing for us. Later on we will have some juice. This is actually so dark, but the only thing we can see is the fire.
And you can pick a piece or two pieces. Actually, I'm gonna start. So I'm a bit hungry. This is a smoked reindeer meat.
It's meat.
Meat, reindeer meat.
Oh,
It's very good. Have you tried reindeer before?
It's
My
too
favorite.
intense.
Yeah.
Depends how you try it.
Yeah.
We have already the smoked version,
Yeah.
the,
Salted.
like a goulash.
Yeah.
Oh, so you tried a lot.
And what had man after? Salted smoked. Thank you.
Okay, then I have like a.
We had already 3 or 5. I don't know.
Okay. Well, I
And
have also
moose.
non-reindeer. Oh, you tried moose as well. Did you
Yeah.
like moose?
Also a moose and reindeer mix.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I prefer the moose. It's not so special,
Uh-huh.
I think.
Oh, I heard some wow. Do you like it?
Oh,
Oh,
they are cooked or uncooked?
this one is just dried. It's not cooked. It's dried for a very long time and it's
Okay.
like in salt, you know. So they put it in the salt.
It's like smoke, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But yeah, you can try it on all the possible ways.
Okay.
How are your feet? Are your toes frozen?
Yeah, a little bit, but I think it's okay. I keep moving them.
Yeah, that's that's the good thing. Like if you keep moving them inside your shoe, you're gonna be warmer. Where are the others? Did you lose them?
In
I
the
think
snow.
They are taking pictures
Ah.
of everything.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, really? Like playing in the snow. That's great. Join us. The dinner is ready. Oh, that's okay. Okay, guys, come to have something to eat if you want. But yeah, well, northern lights are also priority. I understand. But then we are gonna eat it. Hello. You can join us here. I will serve you a lingonberry juice. If I can get it. You just careful with the fire. You can sit anywhere. Just make space for yourself.
Oh, be careful, my feet.
Kom maar, mijn lach. Ja, du kannst mijn lach benutzen.
So actually, I think I have to take the sandwiches because I think the cheese is dropping. But do you mind holding it for your friend? Okay.
Nästa.
Yep, great. So we have some sandwiches ready. I'm gonna try not to drop them. Wait. One of the directions is towards our planet. So basically we have sun here, our planet somewhere here, and yeah, there are some planets in between. But then, so from the